Good morning, my friends, and welcome back to my garden. I'd like to show you an orchid that I've not shown you before. This is called a Zygopetalum. Now, in the plant kingdom, the family of orchids has several subfamilies, one of which is Cattleya, another is Dendrobium, Phalaenopsis, Oncidium, the list goes on. This Zygopetalum is under the subfamily of Oncidium. You can see by its bulbs it has a lot of the same leafy structure and bulb structure that a lot of orchids in the Oncidium family have. This particular orchid was discovered in South America in the early 1800s. It's rampant throughout Brazil and many of the countries. Well, several varieties of Zygopetalum exist, and they've been crossbred. This particular plant is an offspring between two zygos that were crossbred. The seed parent is a Zygopetalum Debbie DeMello, and the pollen parent was a Zygopetalum Artur Elle. Now, I did some research with the Royal Horticultural Society in the UK and found that this particular cross has never been registered. Now, what that means is this cross has never been given its own name. It's still recognized by its parentage. Well, I've had this particular plant for about 10 years, and several years ago, when it was blooming, I took it for judging over in Delray Beach at the judging center of the American Orchid Society, hoping to get an award on it because, obviously, being a new cross, this plant has never been awarded because you can't give a plant an award until it has its own name. So, since this is still being named by its two parents, then I know it still has not been awarded. Boy, these flowers are beautiful, aren't they? If the judging center were open, I think I would take it over there today. Well, thanks for stopping by my garden, and I want to show you another beauty that's in bloom. It's another yellow bird that I have with wonderful spots. Have a great day, friends. Thanks for stopping by.